hearing voices downstairs and thinking that Dr. Holmes had perhaps called, ran down to prevent him coming up. Septimus could hear her talking to Holmes on the staircase. "My dear lady, I have come as a friend," Holmes was saying. "No, I will not allow you to see my husband," she said. He could see her like a little hen, with her wings spread, bearing his passage. But Holmes preserved. "My dear lady, allow me," Holmes said, putting her aside. Holmes was coming upstairs. Holmes would burst open the door. Holmes would say, "In a funk, eh, Buzzford?" Holmes would get him, but no, not Holmes, not Bradshaw. Getting up rather unsteadily, hopping instead of foot to foot, he considered Mrs. Filmer's nice clean bread knife with bread curved on the handle. But one mustn't spoil that, the gas fire. But it was too late now. Holmes was coming. Razors he might have got, but Rezia, who always did that sort of thing, had packed them. There remained only the window, the large Bloomsbury Lodge house window, the tiresome, troublesome, the rather melodramatic business